we will charge 300 rupees for a dialysis.
No one should die for want of dialysis.
Kidney disease is one such disease which a person has to live for the whole life with. And therefore, people who do not have enough money, they can't afford the treatment. Because if you go for a dialysis in any private hospital, it costs minimum 1500 rupees and it could go as high as 4000 rupees. So 16 of us, many of them are here. I was not part of it when the institution started. They decided that these kidney patients who cannot afford dialysis should be helped. And therefore in 2009, this organization was set up in the name of Bhagwan Mahavir, Bhagwan Mahavir Jain Relief Foundation Trust. The idea was that all those patients who need dialysis, it is made affordable for them. And that these trustees decided that we will make it so cheap for them that even a lower middle class family can afford it. So it was decided that we will charge 300 rupees for a dialysis as against a minimum which is charged at 1200 rupees by any private hospital. So how they started, they said each trustee will make some contribution and that money will be used to subsidize the treatment in a hospital. So it started in Mahavir Hospital. Each trustee pooled 1000 rupees and subsidized 16 dialysis in the month of July of 2009. Our advice and our support, 14 such centers have come in different parts of the country. Most of them have been set up by organizations of Jain community.
Outside Hyderabad, the 14 centers, what our chairman has said, we have opened in Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, to Mysore, Bangalore. What we do, like Coimbatore, Bhuj, Indore, we give them all technical support. These are set up by all Jain people, and we give them technical support and whatever help they want. And even we help them in establishing the center. In Mahavir Hospital, we have deputed 2 machines for COVID positive patients, and for them also we were charging only 200 rupees, which came to corporate hospital, I don't name it. Corporate hospital were charging 10,000 rupees. We were doing that for 200 rupees, achieving a target of 1 million. I think 1 million is not a small figure. It's really, now we are also thinking, yes, we have achieved something. I think the next 1 million will only take not more than 5 years. And one assurance is very clear from this trust, that we will never refuse a single patient and no one should die for want of dialysis.
And to commemorate this and express our gratitude to all our supporters, well-wishers, we are organizing a program on the 13th of November, this month, Saturday evening. It is at Imperial Garden. We have Sri K.T. Ramarao ji as our chief guest. Sri Somesh Kumar ji, the Chief Secretary, is going to be presiding over the function. We have Mr. Deepak Vora, Ambassador Deepak Vora, retired IFS officer, who is coming as guest of honor. We have 2 more guests, who is Mr. Deepak Shah and Mr. Ganpat Chaudhary.